As a result of the SciTech-CGTech partnership, Vericut can connect to CNC machines via SciTech's data exchange software. The CNC Machine Connect module gives users the ability to connect with and utilize the data from CNC machines on the shop floor in your Vericut virtual machine. Answer questions like, did the shop have the correct NC program and subroutines? Are the cutting tools in the machine set to correct lengths? Did my feed rates and spindle speeds work, or were they modified? Were there any e-stops? Also available is Vericut's standalone CNC PreCheck module. This application can be used on shop floor computers or Windows tablets next to the CNC machine to compare important setup information to the corresponding settings in your Vericut simulation. If differences are found using CNC PreCheck, the NC programmer can investigate further. Indicator lights clearly highlight when machine data matches Vericut or not. Compare the NC program from Vericut to the NC program in the real machine. The comparison shows a revision that is not in the CNC machine. The comparison also shows a missing section of G-code. Identify tool length differences between Vericut and the tools on CNC machine. Automatically update the tool lengths in Vericut to match the real machine. The Vericut simulation is run with data from the CNC machine to see if there are any differences. In this case, we see using the real tool lengths from the machine will cause an error. CGTech's Vericut works with SciTech's data exchange software to achieve high-accuracy digital twins of CNC machines on your shop floor.